In the heart of the Golden Pride Lands lived a little lion cub named Simba. He had soft, fuzzy fur and even bigger ideas. Every morning, Simba loved to climb the small rocks and see how far the kingdom went. One sunny afternoon, Simba sat with his father, Mufasa. The great king pointed to the horizon. "Everything the light touches is our kingdom," Mufasa said. Simba looked at the sparkling blue river in the distance and wondered what was hiding there. Simba couldn't wait to explore. As soon as his father went to rest, Simba began to run through the tall yellow grass. Swish, swish, swish. He pounced over logs and jumped over small bushes, feeling very brave and very fast. Finally, Simba reached the edge of the big rushing river. A shiny blue beetle was sitting on a wet, mossy stone right by the water. "I bet I can catch it," Simba chirped, stretching his paw out as far as it would go. But the riverbank was very slippery and the mud was very thick. Slip, slide, splash. Simba's paws went one way and his tummy went the other. With a loud yelp, the little cub tumbled right into a big, gooey puddle of mud. "Help!" Simba cried, but his voice felt very small near the loud, rushing water. He tried to pull his paws out, but the mud was too sticky. He wished he had stayed at home on his safe, dry rock. He felt very messy and very scared. Not far away, Mufasa was patrolling the Pride Lands. He heard a tiny help and a very familiar splash. He moved his large ears to listen and used his strong legs to run toward the riverbank as fast as he could. Mufasa saw Simba stuck in the mud. "Don't worry, my son," he called out. Mufasa walked carefully onto the firm ground and reached his large, strong paw out to Simba like a bridge. Simba's best friend, Nala, arrived just as Mufasa pulled him free. She helped Simba get back to the tall grass. Nala used her tongue to lick the sticky mud off Simba's ears while he shook his fur dry. Simba walked back to Mufasa and gave his big leg a hug. "Thank you, Dad," he whispered. "I learned that adventures are fun, but staying safe is better, and being home with you is the best place of all."